Fixing too many failed attempts in Yahoo Mail is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix too many failed attempts on Yahoo Mail. Well, the process is pretty simple. There could be different reasons, so I'm just going to tell you some of the possible solutions. First things first, just try closing and turning back on the browser. Just try restarting the browser, close it, and try turning it on again. This should fix the error. If it doesn't, just try using a different browser. If different browser also doesn't fix the error, or if you do not want to use the different browser, just reset your current browser. In order to do that, you have to simply go to the settings. In the settings, you will be able to reset your browser. However, if you do not want to reset the browser as well, what you can do is you can try contacting to their customer service. So you just have to go to your mail. So I'm just going to click on this forgotten my password, and then I'm going to continue it. I'll be able to see different recovery options. So you just have to click on this I need more options. Now in I need more options, you'll be able to simply click at this call their premium customer care. Just do that and try to talk them out that you're facing this error. They might want to verify your identity. Once it is done, your Yahoo error should be gone. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.